Before we start anything, let's think about how we can solve this question. We know that cos2 theta value we can write as 1 minus 2 sine squared theta. And then we can rewrite sine squared theta as 1 minus cos2 theta over 2. Furthermore, cos2 theta value can be written as 2 cos squared theta minus 1. And then we can rewrite cos squared theta value as 1 plus cos 2 theta over 2. So using this equation, we can convert the square form of the sine and cosine terms to linear form. Sine to the power of 4 2x can be written as sine squared 2x perfect square. Then using the above equation, we can simplify this integral. Clear? Let's jump into the question. Integral sine to the power of 4 2x. Sine to the power of 4 2x value we can be written as sine squared 2x perfect square. We know sine squared theta value equals 1 minus cos 2 theta over 2. Using this equation, we can write sine squared 2x value as 1 minus cos 4x over 2. In here, theta value equals 2x. So, 2 theta value equals 4x. Then, we can write integral. In the numerator, we can write 1 minus cos 4x perfect squared. In the denominator, 2 squared, or we can write 4. Denominator value 4 is a constant. So, we can bring 1 over 4 value outside of the integral. We know a minus b perfect squared value we can be written as a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Using this equation, we can write 1 minus cos 4x value as 1 minus 2 times cos 4x plus cos squared 4x. In here, simple a equals 1, b equals cos 4x. After that, we can consider integral sign separately. First one, integral 1, second one, integral 2 cos 4x, last one, integral cos squared 4x. We know cos squared theta value equals 1 plus cos 2 theta over 2. Using this equation, we can write cos squared 4x value as 1 plus cos 8x over 2. In here, theta value equals 4x. Therefore, 2 theta value equals 8x. Denominator value 2 is a constant. So, we can bring 1 over 2 value outside of the integral. After that, we can consider integral sign separately. Integral 1 equals x. Integral cos 4x equals sin 4x over 4. Integral 1 again equals x. Integral cos 8x equals sin 8x over 8. After that, we can remove the bracket. Then, we can simplify simple x value and x over 2 value as 3x over 2. Then we have as the final answer 1 over 4 within bracket 3x over 2 minus sin 4x over 2 plus sin 8x over 16.